Hey everybody, today I'm going to do a full unsponsored review of the Loloi II Hathaway Rug. And I'm going to give you a full unboxing, all the features, the different colors it comes in, as well as the pros and the cons. I'm going to be completely honest with you, there are some cons. And then if you stick around to the end, I'm going to basically tell you who this rug is perfect for, as well as where to find the absolute best deals. Let's roll. So I'm about to open my Loloi rug that I just got from Walmart, and it's really awesome. It's the Loloi II Hathaway Oriental Steel and Ivory printed rug. So Loloi is a little bit different because they actually do really beautiful patterned rugs that look like kind of Oriental style or tribal style or whatever, and it's all printed. So this will be my unboxing, and my little guy Logan is going to help me, and we'll check it out and see how it looks.
I'm cutting it out.
So I wanted to give you guys the lowdown of when I received this. It was packed in 2 different layers of plastic, and it was rolled up nice and tight. And the delivery came really quickly from Walmart, and you can see here we're kind of unrolling it. It was really easy to get out of the package that you can see here. But first, I would love it if you like this video so far, give me a thumbs up. And then if you want more home decor tips and home product reviews to make your home beautiful on a budget you can actually afford, make sure you hit the subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my next videos. So next up, I wanted to go over some of the features and specs. So a lot of people had questions about the color of these rugs, what they look like in real life. So I wanted to show that. It is an ivory and steel, which is kind of like a dark gray. There is a little bit of gold on here that you can see. I would say it's kind of like, the ivory is almost beige, so it's a very dark ivory, but it does look nice against, like, if you have a beige carpet or something like that. So the other thing about this rug is that it's power loomed, made in China, and it comes in a ton of different sizes, anything from a 2x3 to a 9x12. There's also a runner available, and of course they're all different price points. And I wanted to show you guys a picture here that shows what the entire rug looks like if my bed wasn't in the way. So you can kind of see what the overall pattern looks like. There's a lot of botanical motifs and kind of floral motifs going on. Next up, I wanted to show you guys the edges. So this actually has, it's 2 different pieces kind of put together. So the face is 100% polyester, and the backing is 100% cotton canvas backing. And they're kind of sewn together there on the edges with that thread on the edge. So that is something that's a little bit different than a normal rug. And then you can kind of see there, I have seen some remarks on some of the comments I've read online that sometimes those threads get pulled. So the manufacturer does recommend to not use a beater bar on your vacuum. So if you can turn it off when you're vacuuming it, and I did test that out and it worked fine. So that's just something you might want to just be aware of before buying this rug. So next up is the texture. So a lot of people are wondering, what does this feel like? It does not feel like a traditional rug. So it is very smooth. You can see on here, the pile is only actually 0.25 inches, but there isn't like those yarns sticking up like you would get on a normal rug with like a wool rug or something like that, where you have a lot of yarn. This is almost like a yoga mat. So it's very smooth. It is still soft. It feels good on your feet. It doesn't feel plasticky or anything, but it is different. And one of the big benefits of this material is that it's super easy to clean. When you have a more traditional rug, dirt gets stuck in there, and honestly, you have to get it professionally cleaned or take it somewhere to get cleaned. I mean, you can vacuum it, but dirt does get caught in there. With this kind of rug, that's not as much of an issue because you can almost like sweep this rug off. So I'm going to go over some of the pros and cons real quick. So the biggest pros to me are around it's very easy to clean and the durability, because it doesn't have all this yarn. It's not going to like hold dirt like normal rugs do, which can get really gross. honestly, if they're in a high traffic area. And so I really envision this. I've had it for 3 months and it looks brand new still. Like this rug looks amazing. And the other huge pro is they're just beautiful rugs and they have like these awesome patterns. So the Hathaway is like one collection of this vintage kind of like a Turkish looking rug that comes in so many different colors, but they also have like so many other rugs, like awesome looking rugs, and the price is really good. So $245 for around an 8x10 rug that looks like a vintage style rug that could be like $2,000 or something is a great deal. So that's one thing, is the price point is pretty low for a really cool design, and it's very easy to clean and durable. So now we got to do the cons, right? Because I want to be honest with you guys, like you can't just like listen to the good stuff, right? So some of the cons are the fact that, you know, it's made in China and it's a printed rug. So it's not like an heirloom quality rug that you're going to pass down to your descendants, right? And then the other con is that it's not a thick and fluffy rug. So this is, like I said, it's very smooth. And there's no, like, it's not like a rug where you're like sinking your feet into it. So, and then the edges are another kind of a con, you know, with the thread on there. I would think if you had like a cat that likes to scratch at carpet or rug, which I have known cats to do that, they would probably kind of, you know, like kind of mess up the edges here on your rug. So who is this rug perfect for? Well, I will tell you right now, it is an awesome rug for parents with kids. And they could be kids of any age. And the reason why is because it's so freaking easy to clean. You know, if you have any kids or know any kids, you know they're messy. So that is like one of the best things about this rug is probably the cleanability and its ability to stand up to like high traffic and spills and stuff like that. So I'd say anybody, parents with kids, and then also anybody that needs a rug for a high traffic area. This would be a great rug for you because it doesn't have that thick pile that dirt's just going to get stuck into. Because that's, a lot of people don't like rugs and carpets because they collect dirt, right? And that's what's great about this rug. It doesn't collect the dirt because it doesn't have those big yarn fibers sticking up for all the dirt to get in. And I just wanted to also say it's great for people who wear shoes in the house. So we wear shoes in our house. Not everybody does, I know, but it is a really good rug for that because, you know, again, if you wear shoes in your house, your floors get really dirty, and this is so easy to clean. So that was my recommendation of the type of people that this rug is perfect for. So I know I told you guys about how to find the best deal on the Loloi Hathaway rug. So I bought mine through Walmart.com, and I highly recommend it because you get it fast. It was like a 2-day delivery, and then you don't have to worry about bringing it home and sticking it in your car like this huge rug. And the other great thing is you can actually return it to a Walmart store, right? Which, so in case you don't like it or something, or if there's something wrong with it, you can just take it back to Walmart. I think Amazon, they also sell them. So they're around like $250. And with Amazon, you also can a lot of times return it to Kohl's. So I have links for both of those down below. If you do buy them through my links, I do want to have like full disclosure. I would get a small commission, but there's absolutely no extra cost to you. So you don't have to worry about that. And then the other secrets I wanted to tell you was I recently saw all the Loloi rugs, like, or not all of them, but most of them, the printed ones, on deal for, I think it was either like Memorial Day, or around Prime Day. And so anytime there's a holiday, so whether it's Black Friday, you know, Memorial Day, Labor Day, 4th of July, Prime Day, I guess too, make sure you check for deals. And it was like seriously major deals. I think I saw this, I wanna say it was like $130 for almost an 8x10 rug. Like it was a crazy deal, but it was only like certain colors. Maybe they were trying to liquidate some of the unpopular colors. I don't know, but great deal. And then the other tip I wanted to give you was they sell Loloi printed rugs at like a TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I've seen them as well as at Home Goods. So if you have one of those places near you, keep checking back. I think they probably get, you know, the colors that aren't as popular. I've seen a lot of the more like kind of like
terracotta colors, like really dark colors. I haven't seen a lot of neutral colors there, which I think are more their popular rugs because I'm a neutral lover. I don't know if you are. Let me know in the comments below if you love neutral everything. And again, if you like this rug, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and then I'll link down below to some product links so you can shop for your own Loloi rug. Well, that about wraps up my product review. I hope you guys liked it. I really I have a love for this. I highly recommend this rug, obviously, and I really think it's good for a variety of people, but especially, you know, families with kids or people that need a rug in a high traffic area. And then hopefully if you like this video, you'll give me a thumbs up and hit the like button. And then if you would also like home decor tips as well as home product reviews, to help make your home beautiful on a budget you can actually afford, hit that subscribe button along with the notifications, and that way you won't miss my next video. And I'll link right here to the next video you should watch. It'll be my bedroom makeover series where you're gonna see this rug in action.